Hi all my sweeties, happy Onam to everybody, and this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. The most awaited casual wears of kurtis are ready for you to grab your choice. Today we have got cottons and modal fabrics. Some are only with kurtis, some are kurtis with dupatta, some are kurtis with plazos. So please read the descriptions carefully and then place your orders. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which we have mentioned, which will straight away leads to you to that page. Let us start. The first one is this. This is a bandhani printed fabric. It's a modal fabric with a beautiful embroideries all over. The mirrors are the real mirrors in this, and it comes along with a skirt. So you have your own sizes. So for sizes, I've already told you, take a measurement in measure your top, ready-made top, which is not of stretchable or modal fabric. It should be a cotton, which is washed one, which is more preferably, so that according to that you can place your orders. And the second is this. This comes with a beautiful cotton printed. These are all really casual wears with a parallel pants. If this pant comes, usually when you want to fit into this pant, go for the second size so that both will fit. Be careful, be very smart in selecting your choices. Alright, and then comes a beautiful black color with a beautiful, these are all cotton stuff which is really suitable for our Indian climatic condition. So if these pants comes, you please select the product which is of the next size, so that both the top will be little looser, but still you can make it little tight. And then comes this with a beautiful skirt, and then this comes with the beautiful half white top. You can find beautiful embroideries, self embroideries with little bit of chunky work all over. This is paired with this. So for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which will straight away leads to you to that page. If you have any problem while making payment, you can definitely contact our WhatsApp. Please WhatsApp, we will reply back regarding these inquiries. So this comes with a beautiful plazo pant paired with a cotton top. This is our repeat because we have got a pretty beautiful response for such fabric. And then this comes with a beautiful cotton embroidery plazo pants. Alright, and this is being paired with this top. This also is an embroidery one, so this comes this way. And then what's our next product is this. This is a beautiful self embroidery rayon top with a nice comfortable rayon plazo pant. Alright, and then it's this. See this. This is a printed top with a beautiful plazo pants. This is all very comfortable, easy maintenance. Just like that, you can wear this. And then comes with a top and with a dupatta, cotton dupatta only, without any pants. Alright, and then what it is, the price, it's the same to same. So this is the top and this is the pant in this. Alright, and then this is our beautiful, so many people were asking for me. I'm sorry, so many people were asking for this. So once again we have bought this repeats. It's a rayon fabric, so called modal fabric with a beautiful, this is also a modal fabric with a plazo pants. Alright, and then these are all only kurtis. See this is a self embroidery kurti with a beautiful light parrot green color. And yes, I have got multiple colors in this. 1, 2, and then see this 3, and then 4 beautiful peach color, dark pink color. I personally love this because it's so nice. It's a self embroidery. See this, how beautiful it is. It's a baby pink color. So however, you can mix and match with your pant and dupatta. And one more is this cotton with stripes. Alright, and I have got 2 different colors in this. So all nice, beautiful concept this time. And then comes this, it's a mehendi green color with a simple work, and this is the cotton top. And then comes this, see this, it's a cotton with a machine embroidery. Alright, and then our most wanted bottle green color, see this, it's a cotton by Rayon. I think you please read our descriptions and then place your order. See this teal blue color with beautiful embroideries on this front and back. These are all really casual wears where it's very comfortable, easy to maintain, and once again it's a red with a beautiful work on it. Alright, these I have bought once again because there was a really high demand for this. This is a floor length black color rayon top, just like that you can wear. So the height of the top is being mentioned in our this thing. See this? This is a beautiful top with a beautiful plazo pants. How it is? It's being packed in this way. And then comes this. See this? It's only kurti with a beautiful embroidery on the neck. Alright. And then this. This is also only kurti with an embroidery, and then with a cut sleeve in this pattern. And then this, see this, it's a cotton. Alright, it's a very nice light color, sober color. And then comes this. These are all already there in our website. Just to refresh for you guys, I'm just showing it once again. And then see, these are two different kurtas of only the dupatta color changes in both. It's a Kota Doria dupatta with a beautiful work on the top on both. Alright, and then see this. This is a modal fabric. This is already there in our website with a beautiful dupatta. Alright, and then comes these. See this. Modal top with a beautiful, what is this, rayon pant. Alright, and then comes this light rose color top with this pad with this pants. And then my last piece is this. This comes with a striped top with a plazo pant. Alright, today we have done. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shilvanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to that page. And still more, we have 1, 2, and then 3 in our website. So you can just go and surf our beautiful website and grab your choice of collection. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.